Rebirth in Hinduism. Reincarnation or rebirth has always been an enthralling concept. Like Hinduism, there are many other popular cultures which talk about a person being born again and again on this earth. For example, Buddhism also believes in rebirth. Ancient Egyptians were staunch believers of life after death and rebirth. That is why they erected monuments and created mummies to preserve their dead. According to the Hindu philosophy, Punarjanma or rebirth literally means re-entering the flesh again. The most popular example from the Hindu mythology of rebirth is of the incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Vishnu's reincarnation. He assumes the human form again and again to save the earth from evil. Similarly, we also hear of reincarnation stories about various other deities. But how exactly does this concept of reincarnation or rebirth work? Let us take a look. Scientific reasons. The concept of soul, according to the Hindu philosophy, the Atma or soul cannot be destroyed. Even if the body dies, the soul of a person lives on. The soul changes body in the same manner as we change into new clothes. The karma. The new body depends on our karma or the things, good or bad, that we may have done in our previous life. If one has accumulated good karma, then he or she is born as a human again. The second view. On the other hand, if one had bad karma, then he or she is born according to the nature of the karma. Most of the times a human being is born as a human being only. But sometimes he or she may be born as an animal depending on the karma. Unfulfilled wishes. If a person dies suddenly with a lot of unfulfilled wishes, then he or she becomes a ghost. That soul will then be stuck between the material and the spiritual world, waiting for its release and favorable conditions to be reborn again. Physical form. Hindus believe that it is only their physical form which is mortal and can be destroyed. Perhaps that is why Hindus, as a part of the death rites, hit the head of the corpse in order to make him forget the life that went by, to prevent the soul from being haunted with memories in the next birth. They believe the soul ascends to heights inaccessible to humans and it returns to live in a new body. Death. Another important fact that you should know is that a soul does not acquire the next birth immediately after the death of its previous body. Only after years, when the conditions are suitable, a soul can acquire a new body and be born again. Center of forehead. Hindus believe that in the center of their forehead is the third eye, which opens when one unites the soul with God or becomes one with Brahma. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.